Metals prices skyrocket as Trump's trade war intensifies. Calling me a president, calling me a prime minister, calling me a chancellor, calling me a mayor. I'm your senator. Yep. April Fools. The full freaks are running the show, running it into ruin. And which brings us to the cover of this week's Trends Journal.
Now we'll show you the best clips of the latest interview. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss out our daily recaps.
Join our WhatsApp channel for real-time updates, breaking news, and expert predictions on gold, silver, and financial markets. Link in the description or pinned comment. Stay ahead of the curve. Don't miss out.
Never, never, ever, ever in my lifetime have I seen such a wildest freak show running the show right now as we have in a country near you. Hey, the Dow, it's down. The Nasdaq down. Nasdaq, S&P were down. But they would flat this a little bit that. Because tomorrow's Liberation Day. Dun, da, da, da. What's Trump going to do with the tariffs? How low will they go? How high will they be? Who knows? We'll see, because the game keeps changing. And again, I know people hate me for saying I agree with tariffs. They don't hear the other part. I agree with tariffs if you do away with income tax. Because when we had tariffs, we didn't have income tax. And I also I don't believe in globalization. I believe in self-sustaining economies. Again, the facts are all there. When they put the sanctions on Russia and that scumbag piece of shit that disappeared, I guess he's maybe dead in his brain now, maybe he's gone, who knows where he is, Biden, Putin's going to pay the price. We said, no, they're not. He said, Russia has all they need to be self-sustaining and self-sufficient. They have the human and natural resources. And all those companies that flooded out of Russia, the Russians took it over. Same thing with China, more self-sustaining, more self-sufficient. They got 1.4 billion people. They do business and build and trade with each other. You don't have to bring in outside products. You build your own economy. So I believe in that. So take it easy. If you don't believe in it, fine. But don't give me your fucking shit, shove it up your ass, all right? Not telling you what to believe. Don't tell me what to believe. I just say the way we see it. So if you see it differently, fine. Tell me the facts. Because the facts are that once upon a time, this was a self-sustaining nation. And you had a middle class. And what's that article that just came out from, what the hell is it? Forbes. You ready? I'm not making this shit up. Forbes' 39th annual world's billionaire list. More than 3,000 are worth $16 trillion. The billionaire club has never been bigger or richer. Here's who's been. Oh, and then you saw the other data showing that, the 1% just about own everything in this country. So when you had manufacturing, you had middle class. End of story.
In today's news recap, why silver is becoming a better investment than gold in 2025. In the ever-shifting landscape of precious metals, a remarkable trend has emerged that's catching the attention of savvy investors worldwide. Silver, long overshadowed by its more illustrious cousin, is now stepping into the spotlight as potentially the smarter investment choice for 2025 and beyond. Let's uncover why many financial experts are now whispering silver might just be the new gold. Unlike gold, silver boasts a dual identity as both a precious metal and an industrial workhorse. Silver's extensive applications in green technologies, particularly solar panels and electric vehicles, have created unprecedented demand pressure, explains Alex Abkarian, COO of Allegiance Gold. This industrial utility gives silver a fundamental advantage that gold simply doesn't possess. The statistics are compelling. Industrial consumption now accounts for over half of all silver demand, with renewable energy sectors sectors driving significant growth. This expanding EV market alone requires substantial silver components, creating a supply-demand imbalance that could propel prices skyward. A perfect storm of supply constraints. While demand surges, silver's supply remains stagnant, creating what investors call a perfect storm for price appreciation. Unlike paper currencies that can be printed at will, silver has finite availability, making it an increasingly attractive inflation hedge alongside gold. Rick Rule of Sprott notes, industrial demand has been becoming increasingly important for silver, especially due to its use in solar panels and electric vehicles. This technological advancement continues to outpace mining production, creating a widening deficit.
Not a word about gold prices. Not a peep from the prostitute. Hardly anything. So, this is where it's going. Barely reported today, the economic manufacturing sector contracted in March. Yep. After 2 consecutive months of expansion, preceded by 26 straight months of contraction. That's in the manufacturing ISM. It registered 49%, 1.3% lower than February. New orders contracted. Backlog of orders index down 2.3%. They're all in the 40s range. Anything below 50 is negative. Barely reported. That's why you see one of the reasons you see gold prices going up so high. Oh, here. Dozens of settlers' homes attacked in West Village in Duma, injuring several Palestinians. Oh, that's from the Times of Israel. IDF issues executive order in northern Gaza cities. 42 Palestinians killed since Monday. This is a top article if you go to Haaretz, which we subscribe to. You ready? The top article. The Escape Artist. How Netanyahu lies and why people still believe him. The Billionaires Club has never been bigger or richer. Yeah, off with their heads 2.0. And what else? Oh, tomorrow, Trump calls it Liberation Day. We're going to see what happens with the tariffs. He's 25% on imported automobiles. Again, we're going to see what happens and how that goes. Bitcoin's still hanging around the 85 range. Again, people say, oh, could you support Bitcoin? I support it because the crypto club gave Trump over $100 million, all right? And they're in the organization. So they're going to enrich themselves. So grow the fuck up. That's why we're bullish on it. As George Carlin said, it's one big club and you ain't in it, and you're seeing the Billionaires Club and you ain't in it. So subscribe to the Trends Journal if you want history before it happens. Again, $6 a day for a Sunday edition of the toilet paper record and for the Wall Street Journal on the weekends. Nothing. You go to the exchange section in the Wall Street Journal on the weekends, hardly anything there, only stupid stories about stupid shit. So we're giving you every